Okay. In the last session, we discussed about sort command, last two sessions. Okay. So, what is sort command and what are the different options available with this sort command? Okay. These are the options with sort command, and this is the format of or appearance of this sort command. And how to specify the field specifiers. Okay, so these are all we discussed in the last two sessions. Okay, in this session we'll discuss about tr command. Tr is nothing but translate command. So whatever the input from the keyboard or from a file, okay, so this input will read by the tr command, and if there are any translations, like suppose if there is some small case letters, you want to translate it to uppercase, okay, you can specify the letters as well as the uppercase what you want to display. Okay, so those will be translated if that present in the input. Okay, so this input can be from your keyboard or it can be from your file. Okay, so this will translate, that is nothing but replaces each character in the input with the specified character. It replaces the character in the input file. Okay, suppose here if I say translate, it should be in lowercase. Here I am saying that small a space capital A. So in your input, if there is any small a, that will be replaced with capital A. That will be replaced with capital A. So that is translate command. So it translates. Okay. And before going to see some examples on this, I will see how this command or what is the syntax of this command. tr, it should be in lowercase only, space, options, space, string 1, space string 2 and space your input. So that if it is through keyboard, no need to specify. Okay, press enter. Otherwise your input file. Okay, so your input file cannot be passed like other commands, cannot be passed as a parameter to this command. Okay, so here to this tr, that is translate command, we cannot pass our input file as a parameter. Okay, so then what is the next way? Input this file to this command. Okay, so here we are using input redirect operator, and here you can input the file, your input file name. Okay, now in this case I'll use only the name. Okay, so here we are using input operator, input redirect operator. So this input redirect operator will give you your file as input to this command. Okay, so this command will read each and every character from this file, and if there is any string 1, that string 1 will be replaced with string 2. Okay, and we have some options with this as well. So we'll see what are those options. Here the options are -d. It is nothing but delete characters. Delete characters. Next one, -s. So this one is squeeze duplicates. Squeeze duplicates. Next one is complement set. For that we can use C, -C. Okay. Fine. See here, if you are using -d option, okay, then your command will appear like tr space -d and your character set, that is string 1, and your input. If it is through keyboard, then directly press enter. From this string, if the characters present in your input, those characters will be removed or those characters will be deleted. Suppose see this example, tr space minus d space. Here I am specifying some characters like a, e, I, o, u. Okay, and if I input like this is my file, sorry, this is my file content. Okay, assume that this is your file content. Okay, if this is your input or through keyboard you inputted this text, immediately you will get output like now you might get what it is doing. Okay, if this is your input, okay, so if this command executes on this input, you will get this output. Okay, so this is your input, you are entering this line through keyboard using your keyboard input device, and when this command gets executed on this line, you will get this output. So what this command is doing, tr minus d means deletes characters, deletes characters. So this option will delete these characters if present in the input. Okay, a, e, I, o, u. If any one of the character present in the input, that will be removed. Here I, this is present in the, from the string, so this will be deleted and you will get this output. Okay, so next I is there, so that will be removed, that will be deleted. Okay, we'll see with examples. Next one, squeeze duplicates. Squeeze duplicates. Squeeze duplicates is nothing but, see, I'll give you an example. tr translate, this is an example, tr space, here minus s, I am using one option minus s. Minus s is nothing but squeeze duplicates. If that character is present successively, then that will be removed and only one character will be present. Okay, fine. We'll see with example how this will execute. tr space minus s, and here I am saying suppose I s space d d. Okay, it means specify in double quotes. It is more than one character, so we are specifying in double quotes. Okay, suppose if you input like this, okay, your output will be, see, whenever there is I, that character will be replaced with D. Whenever there is S, that character will be replaced with D. But we are using minus S, so that will squeeze. If there is any successive D, that will be removed. Okay, so here if this is the input, then output will be, so before going to see the output, just will do the analysis how this will be replaced. So here t is there in this, no, so that will be displayed as it is. H is there, no, so it will not be replaced. E is there, no, so this will not be replaced. Next f, f is there, no, I is there, s, I is there, so this I should be replaced with d, so here I will be replaced with d. Okay, E is there, no, N is there, no, D is there, no. So from the first string, okay, it is not there, it is there in the second string, right? So here D, it will be displayed as this. Next D, D is there, no, I is there, S, I is there, so I replace I with D. Okay, So next to D is there? No, it is not there in the first string. So no replace. But here we are using minus s option, so it will squeeze duplicates. So here DD, it is duplicate. So this will be replaced with only one D. Now here DD, again this is duplicate. This will be replaced with D. So this is the final output you are going to get. This is the final output you are going to get. Okay. So this is squeeze option. If any duplicates are there, that will be removed. Okay. Next one is complement set. Next one is minus C option, that is complement set. It is nothing but it will complement. Okay. So that complement is nothing but reverses the meaning of the string, like see. Suppose there is one string like it is going. Okay. Now I am using this command. Example. Let me take this to new page. Okay. tr minus c. So this will complement the string. Okay. So minus c space. Here I am saying a e i o u. Okay. And here I am saying star. Whenever there is a e i o u, I am going to translate with star. I am going to translate with star. Okay. That is nothing but replace with star. Okay. So here, without using this command, first let me show you how the output will be. If suppose this is the input, we are only translating this to AEIOU to star. Whenever there is AEIOU, replace with star. Okay. So this is small I. Okay. So I is there is replace with star. Okay. Next T is there in the first string? No. So that will be displayed as it is. Next I is there? Yes, I is there. So replace with star. Next S is there? No. So display as it is. Space. G is there in the first string? No. So display as it is. O is there? Yes. So replace with star. Okay. Next to I is there? Yes. Replace with star. O is there? Yes. Sorry. G O I. Next to N is there? No. So display as it is. Next to G is there? No. Okay. So this is the output if you use tr space string 1 and string 2. If you use minus C, that is complement, just it reverses, like your output will be, okay, your output will be, see here, it won't translate. If I is there, it won't translate. Other than these characters present in your input, other than these characters, okay, so means AEIOU. Other than these AEIOU present in your input, those will be replaced with star. Okay, if you don't use this C, if AEIOU present in your string, that will be replaced with star. Okay, minus C means complement. Other than these characters will replace with star, means see your output will be I is there, don't replace with star. Yes, it is there in the first string. So complement is there, so don't replace with star. T, next character is T. T is there in first string? No. Okay, so complement is there, so replace this T with star. Space. Next, I is there? Yes, I is there in the first string. So don't replace. Why? Because complement is there. Okay. Next, is. S is there in the first string? No, it is not there. So replace with star. Okay. Space. Even this space is not there in the first string. That also replaces with star only. Right. So this will be counted. So here it after this space is there. this space is not there, it is not listed in the string 1. So this will also replace with star only. This will also replace with star only. Okay, fine. So G is there, it is not there in the first string. So replace with star. Okay. O is there, S, it is there in the first string. So don't replace. I is there, S, it is there in the string 1. So don't replace. Okay, N is there, it is not there. So replace with star. So complement, exactly reverse. So translate will translate string 1 with string 2. But here minus C is there, means reverse. So if these characters present, don't replace. Other than these characters, replace with star. That is complement. Okay, fine. Next, last character is G. G is present? No. So replace with star. Okay. So this is the output you will get if you use minus C option. That is complement set option. Okay. Fine. Without C, this is the output you will get. Okay. So whenever the character is present, that will be replaced with star. Okay. We'll see these examples. Fine. So this is translate commands. It translates string 1 to string 2. Whatever the characters present in string 1, that will be replaced with string 2 characters respectively. I'll change to our directory, that is, okay. So tr is a translate command, space. So here some string 1, suppose I am saying A, E, I, O, U, space. I am going to replace with capital letters A, E, I, O, U. Okay, means whenever there is small a in your input, that will be replaced with capital A. Okay, whenever there is small e, that will be replaced with capital. So all O's will be replaced with capital O's. Okay, fine. Let me press enter and see. Here this is my input. Sorry. Okay, so this is my input. Now when I press enter, it will display the output by translating. Okay, so it will translate and display the output. See this output? Whenever there is an all, that will be replaced, that is replacing with capital letters. See the output here? This I is all. So it is there in the first string. That's why it is replacing with capital letters. That's why it is replacing. O is replacing with capital. Okay. U is replacing with capital U. I is replacing with capital I. Okay. In this way, suppose I am inputting next line like so this will be replaced with capital. Whenever there is all, that will be replaced with capital all. Okay. So this is translate command. Okay. We'll see another example. You can press Ctrl D or Ctrl Z to terminate from this. Okay. To exit from this. Next one, see, whenever there is oil, I want to replace with some star. Okay, some star. Now I am inputting some text like okay. So this is my input and you will get this output. Okay, whenever there is oil, that will be replaced, that character will be replaced with star. Okay, any one of the character present in your input, that will be replaced with asterisk symbol. That will be replaced with asterisk symbol. So that's the reason you are getting this output. Okay, let me show you another example. See, here AEIOU space, here I am saying AE question mark, AE question mark. See, whenever there is small a in your input, that will be replaced with capital A. Whenever there is small e, that will be replaced with capital E. Whenever there is I, that will be replaced with question mark. What about OU? What about OU? Then these two characters also replaces with the last one which is present. Okay, here these two are matching. Okay, that's why whenever there is small letter, small vowel, that will be replaced with capital OL. Okay, so it is matching, but in this case this is not matching. Then in that case what happens? The thing happened like this. Okay, so whenever there is A, that will be replaced with star, right? E also replaced with the last character, that is only star. Only one character is present in string 2. So all characters will if present in the input, that will be replaced with star only. Okay, the same thing happens here. So whenever there is a, small a, that will be replaced with capital A. Whenever there is small e, that will be replaced with capital E. Whenever I is there, that will be replaced with question mark, and rest of all characters will be replaced with the last one, last character which is present. In this case only one present, so that's why if any one present in the input, that will be replaced with asterisk. Okay, but here some two characters are there. Let me execute this one by inputting some data. Okay, okay, press enter and see the output, how this input will be replaced. See here, I is there. Okay, so this I is replacing with question mark, it is good. Next, coming to O, where O is present here. Okay, so there is no respective character in the second string. There is no respective character for these two in the second string. That's the reason that will be replaced with the last character present in the second string. So what is the last character? Question mark. That's the reason O is replacing with question mark. So in this way the translator command will work. Okay. So we have seen many examples with input from the keyboard. We'll see with some file. Okay. Let me check the file. Yes, there is a file sample1 or test1.txt. What is there in this test1.txt? Some information is there. Sample text to check file permission. Okay, so this is the content of this file. Okay, here I am checking the same. Suppose if A, B, C, these characters are present, I want to replace with some star. Okay, here the input is test.txt. That is our file name, right? Let me check. Yes, test.txt. Okay, this is the input. So this file is the input to this translate command. Okay, now press enter and see the output. See, whenever there is A, B, C, any one of the character present in this file test.txt, that will be replaced with asterisk symbol. Okay, if you want, check what is there in this test.txt. Okay, see here A is present, that's why it is replacing with asterisk. Okay, next see here C is present, so C is replacing with asterisk. Like this, whenever there is A, B, C, that is replacing with asterisk. Okay, so here the input is a file. Input is a file. We have seen many examples how to use output redirect operator. So this is one of the example for input redirect operator. Input redirect operator. Okay. So less than is the input redirect operator. We don't have any double less than, right? We have greater than. This is output redirect operator. Another one, this one, appending. Okay. So this symbol will append the data to file. This will add data to the file. Okay. Previous information will be erased. But we don't have any double less than. Okay. We have only one input redirect operator. Okay. Fine. So this is tr command, and we'll see options, how these options will work. Okay. So we have -d option. We'll check this option. Okay. tr space -d. Here I am using the same like ABC, and I am inputting the file, that is test.txt. So here if you see this command, so this is your input file. In this input file, if ABC, if any one of the character present in the file, that character will be deleted. That character will be deleted. Okay. Fine. See this output. See, A is there in this file. So that is deleted. Okay. Like this, if there is any character from the first string present in the input, that character will be deleted. Okay. Now the next question is, see here it is displaying onto the result. The result of this command is displaying onto the screen. That is default output media. Okay. So it is displaying onto the monitor. Can we display this output, or can we send this output to a file? Yes, we can. Okay. See here, I am using whatever the output comes from this command, we are sending that output to ss.txt. Now see this command and display what is there in this ss.txt. This output is similar to your output you got earlier, right? Both are same. Okay. So we can send this to a file as well. See, after deleting these characters from this file, okay, from this file, after deleting these characters, I am sending the result to a file, that is ss.txt. ss.txt. Here, up to here, if you see this command, this file is the input to this command. This command will delete these characters if present in the test.txt file, and whatever the result of this command, that we are sending to a file. Okay. So here we are doing two operations. One is deleting, executing the translate command on one file, and the result sending to a file. Okay. Clear. So next option is complement option, -c option. Okay. See, I'll check the same thing using C option. See, if you use this one, ABC, whenever there is ABC, that will be replaced with star, right? So that will be replaced with asterisk. Now here the same example, but I am using -c option, that is complement set. Okay, complement option. See here. See, apart from these characters, rest of all, sorry, here, apart from these characters in the file, rest of all replaces with asterisk. Only whenever there is ABC, that will be as it is. Okay, but others will be replaced with asterisk. Okay, fine. So this is -c option, and one more option is there. -c is for complement option, D is to delete, and S is to squeeze. We have seen example on this, right? No, we didn't see. Okay, fine. tr minus s, that is to squeeze duplicates. S is squeeze duplicates. Squeeze is nothing but like erase. Okay, delete. Fine. A, B, and here I am saying like capital A, B, and I am going to input like this. Okay, so this is my input. Now see, whenever there is small a, that will be replaced with capital A, right? But here two successive A's are there, capital A's, after translating. Okay, so minus S is there, it will squeeze the duplicates. Okay, first let me execute this one. I am pressing enter. Now this is the output. This is the output. Here first capital A, capital A. So here it will squeeze one duplicate. Okay, it will remove one duplicate. So that's the reason only one is present. Okay, so next one, here B will be replaced with capital B. It is good. Small a will be replaced with capital A. It is also good. Next here BB. So these two will be replaced with capital BB, but duplicates. These are duplicates. That's why it will squeeze one B. So that's the reason only one is present. Okay, so next LU as it is. Okay, so this is squeeze option. Now see here, if I use like this tr, see this command here, we tested this command, right? Here we got output like this. Let me show you again. Here we got output like this, right? Whenever, see, minus c is nothing but complement. Minus c is nothing but complement. So whenever there is a text in the test.txt file other than ABC, those characters will be replaced with asterisk. Okay, so here apart from ABC, everything is replaced. Here I am using minus s option along with this, and see the output tr minus c, that is complement, s squeeze. So here all the asterisks are duplicate, right? From this output, these are all duplicates, so that will be squeezed. Okay, space, same command abc space asterisk. Okay, fine. Input is test.txt. Okay, now your output will be star a star c star c star. That's it. Okay, it should be like that only. Now see the output here, star A, star. So all these are duplicates, so squeezed. That's the reason only one asterisk. Next C. So here two successive C asterisks are there, so that will be squeezed. Okay. So next to C and star. So these are all duplicates. So that's why squeezed and only one asterisk is present here. So this is the output. Got it? So here we are combining these two options, these two. Okay. Now if I combine like this, suppose here minus C as D. What is D? It will delete the characters. It will delete the characters. ABC. It should be only one parameter. Let me check with two, that is string 1 and string 2, and I am inputting this file test.txt. Now see the output. We didn't get anything. So here the reason is, it will take, this delete will take only one, that is string 1. If string 1 characters are present in the input, that will be deleted. Okay, fine. So this is tr command, that is translate command. Okay, so here this will translate string 1 characters with string 2 characters. Here the options are -c, that is complement. It means, so reverse, exactly translating reverse. Okay, so string 1 characters will be avoided and rest of all characters will be replaced with the specified string 2 characters. Okay. Next one, D, that is delete characters. Whatever is present in string 1, those characters if present in the input, that will be deleted. Next one is squeeze. If duplicates are there, it will delete. Okay. Next command, unique command. Okay. So unique command, it is similar to, we have seen one option, -u option with sort command, that will display unique records, after sorting. But we have another command, unique, uniq. So unique command, this command deletes duplicate lines and keep the first line from the file. Okay, suppose some 3 lines are there. Assume that these 3 records are duplicate records. Then it will keep only the first one and it will delete rest of 2. Okay, so it will eliminate, it will give you only the unique records from the input file. Okay, let me check for file. Yeah, I'll create one file. uniq.ex.txt file. This is my file information. Okay, so this is the file content. Let me clear the screen. Okay, so what is there in this unique ex.txt file? So this is the information. Okay, so here in this file some duplicate data is there. That is, this line is repeated, some 3 times apart from the current one. Okay, so this line is also duplicate, but this is unique, right? This is unique. So if this kind of duplicates are there, then it will keep only the first record and it will skip or eliminate the duplicates. So these 3 will be avoided, eliminated. Okay, let us check. Unique space your file name, that is, my file name is also same, unique.ex.txt. Now press enter. See here, you are getting only 3 lines. The duplicate lines are eliminated. It will take only the first line and rest of the lines will be eliminated. Okay, so this unique command will give you only unique records from the file, So this is one of the important command. If you want to eliminate duplicate records from your file, then you can use this command, or at the same time if you want to sort the data, you can use sort -u option. Okay, so that will sort. Here no sorting, so from the beginning of the file it will start searching. Okay, and for the duplicates, if duplicates are present, it will eliminate and display the result in the same order. Okay, fine. So we have some options with this command. Okay, we have some options like -u minus D, minus C. Okay, so minus U option is nothing but, let me write down this command. So the syntax of this command is unique space, it should be in lowercase only, space options space your input file, your input file. Okay, so here options are minus U option. So this is nothing but non-duplicates, duplicate lines, non-duplicate lines. So here minus U, if you use minus U, it will display or it will give you non-duplicate lines from the file. Okay, so next option minus D, this is duplicated lines, only duplicated lines. It will give you only duplicated lines. Minus C, it will give you count. Okay, count of your duplicate lines. Okay, so these are general options with this command. Minus U, non-duplicate lines. Minus D, like we can also say that unduplicate. U for unduplicate. Okay, D for duplicate. C count. C for count, D for duplicate, U for unduplicate or non-duplicate lines. Okay. See unique. See here, if I say unique, it will give you only unique records. Here I am using the option minus U. Minus U is nothing but non-duplicate lines. How many non-duplicate lines are present in this file? How many non-duplicates, or what are the non-duplicate lines present in this unique ex.txt file? Only one line, only one line. So this is the non-duplicate line present. So this is duplicated, I mean this line is duplicated and this line is also duplicated. Okay, but the only one line that is non-duplicate line is this one. So we are using minus U, that it will give you non-duplicated lines from the input file, from the input file. In this example, we have only one non-duplicated line, that is the third one. I mean, this is third line. This is the data non-duplicated. Okay. Next option, unique minus D. D is nothing but duplicated lines. How many duplicated lines are there in this input file, that is unique ex.txt file? 2 are there. So this line is duplicated as well as this line is also duplicated, but this is not duplicated. So how many lines we have in this file? Only 2 lines. So it will give you only 2 lines. Okay, first line, second line. This is first line, this is second line. So these two are the duplicated lines present in the file. Okay, fine. Next one, count. I want to see the count. How many duplicate lines, I mean this particular line repeats how many times. Okay, how many times it is duplicated. Then you can use this command option, that is minus C unique ex.txt. Okay, so here it will display the count. So this line is duplicated 4 times. Okay, see this here, it present 4 times, right? So that's why it is giving the count 4. This second line, so this text is repeated 2 times or duplicated 2 times. See this input, I mean file content, here it is 2 repeated twice. Okay, so here this is present only once, so it is not duplicate. Okay, it is not duplicate. So this minus C command will give you the count, how many times it is duplicated. Okay, so this is unique option. In the next session okay, before that we'll see one more command and we'll close this session. that is word count, wc. This is one of the most important command as well as very easy to understand. wc means word count command. Okay, so it counts the number of characters, words or lines present in the input file. We have same kind of option in MS Word also. It will give you the complete list. How many files are, how many lines are present, how many pages are there, how many paragraphs are there, how many characters are there. Okay, like that in Unix operating system we have this command. This command will count number of characters, number of words and number of lines, okay, present in the input file. Okay, it is very easy to use this command. See here, wc space, we have some options as well that we'll see after seeing this command. Okay, uniq ex.txt. okay, see the output. It will give you how many lines. See, before going to run, let me count how many lines are there. How many lines? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines are there. Okay, how many words are there for each? 1 2 3 4, like 4 into 7. Okay, run this command. See here, 7 lines, okay, 28 words and 135 characters, 135 characters present in this file, present in this file. So this first one is the line count, second one is the word count and third one is the character count. Okay, so here 4 into is 4 into 7, this one. Okay, these many number of words are there, we can see here, right? And these many characters are there in this file. Okay, we have options, the same one. Options are -c, -f, sorry, L, -w. Okay, so C is nothing but characters. Okay, L lines, C characters, W for words. If you want to get only lines, then you can use the option -L. Okay, see, word count -L uniq ex.txt file. So it will give you lines. How many lines are there? 7 lines. Okay, so it is matching here, right? Next, word count minus words, uniq ex.txt file. Now see, 28 words are present in this file, uniq ex.txt file. Okay, next, word count minus C, your file name, 135 characters present in this file. Okay, so for better understanding, let me add one more line as well as character to this file, then let us execute this command. Okay, see here, I am adding one more line, one more character. Okay, so that character is 8. Now if I execute this command on this file, okay, so one new line is added, one new word is added, that is 8. It will be considered as word as well as line. It is in the new line. Okay, as well as one more character. Now see the output. See, compared to this one more new line is there, that is, so here now total number of lines 8. Next, these are words. Okay, so how many words are there? One new word is added, that is 8. Okay, so 29, 28, previously 28, now 29. But here if you see the number of characters, see the difference here, 135, but here 137. 137. How many characters we added? Only one character, that is 8. but here we can see the difference 2. What is this? Can you guess? See here, the number of lines, one new line is added, so 8, it is correct. Now 8, that will be treated as one word, right? So that's the reason word count is increased. Okay, no problem. But if you see the character count, before adding the character 8, the count was 135. After adding this one, the count is 137. It should give only 136, but it is giving 137. Why? The reason is here. See here. So these are the characters present. Okay. What about this next line? Here, after this E, new line character is there. Okay. New line character is there. It is not visible, but system internally will assign a new character at end of every line. So that character is also, hello.